One of the great options you can choose when you're ordering your Revel van is an air conditioner unit. This air conditioner is especially useful in the 2021 now because we can run our air conditioner off of our lithium batteries. This is a huge game changer for people like me who boondock a lot. Now I want to show you how to work this air conditioner unit. As you look up here, you're going to see a control panel that's going to have a temperature. That's your ambient temperature. Then we're going to have 3 buttons. 1 is a rectangle and 2 are an arrow, up and down. Go through the menus here. I'm going to push the rectangle, and each time I press it, it's going to give me a different option. You can scroll through here and see all the options, but I've just set it to cool low, and the air conditioner is going to come on. It takes a couple of seconds. There it goes. So now, if I'm in one of the auto settings for cool, I can use the arrows to select my desired temperature. If you're really looking to save your battery, it is nice to use these auto settings because then it's just not running continuously. It'll get your coach to the temperature that you desired, and then the AC will actually turn itself off, and that'll save batteries. And then as it starts to warm back up in your coach, it'll come back on. That's a really nice way to kind of stretch out your battery life. Another trick is don't set it for, it'll go down to like 32. Don't set it for 32 on auto because it will just continuously run. Set it to some place where you're comfortable and let it do its thing. Let it cycle on and off, and you'll get a lot more life out of your batteries. It also features a vent on the front, the back, and 2 facing downward. Now, if you're just in the bed area, you might want to block off the vent that's blowing cold air to the front. And if who knows, you might want to block off the one that blows it to the back, and you can open these 2 vents right here and they'll just blow cold air straight down. Inversely, if you're in the front of the van, you might want to block off these lower ones. You might even want to block off the back one and have all of your air pressure going forward. That'll help cool you in the front of the van. We also have a new app that will allow us to run the AC remotely. This is by Coleman-Mach, and it is pretty simple to operate. I downloaded this off the Apple Store, but I have very similar controls. At the top, I have a temperature setting, and then I have all of my settings here. So I'm gonna put it on cool low, and I'm gonna hit the set button. And let's see, it'll turn on here in just a second. It's on. Isn't that great? Now I can control the AC actually from the front of the Revel, all with my app. This has been really handy. Say you're pulling, in 30 minutes you're gonna pull into a campground and you wanna keep it cool in here, it's a hot day. You could go ahead and turn this on while you're driving, and then you get into camp, your van's cooled down, and it's gonna be a lot easier to maintain that temperature.